Hey guys, welcome back to my funny compilation video. On today's comedy, it's a weekend comedy, like on Sunday's comedy, actually the best. You have full time to watch it. And my giveaway winner, I will reply you personally, and when I reply you, I'll tell you how to get it. And please, once you get what you win or what you won, make sure you appreciate us in the comment box so that other people will know that we are giving away what we said we will give away, so that we do not see it seems as if we are trying to gather audience because of giveaway. No, it's real, no fake, no scam zone here. All right, guys, let's dive into this comedy compilation. Let's go.
Aboki!
You are really looking good though.
Were you expecting me to look bad before? No, now Oluwa has blessed the boy. So you're not a native doctor?
Mazi, I'm not actually a native doctor. I'm a healer.
You be healer, you be native doctor.
Mazi, that's collabo.
Look at you. You left me, you said I'm not enough for you. Now no man agree marry you, you ended up as a native doctor.
What are you here for, my son? Because I know you come for power.
Who come for power? You get power. See this? Aboki, I hear the person there my side, they do this.
Like, this is your site.
Yeah, I own like 10 of these. I'm on soft.
Oh, hey! Thank you so much. You told me a rich man will come for me. Thank you, because he's here. Mazi, Ogogo told me a rich man is coming for me soon. Wow. And the rich man is here.
Where's the rich man?
Mazi, it's you now.
Give me this and I leave my side.
Ogogo will strike you.
Come on my side. Hi. This economy really hard though. See for my slave queen, don't turn as the one.
She's nice. What she will do? The economy is actually difficult. I think these girls are actually from big girls. You go and become.
How many times you don't take this week? Go and buy for how much I buy this week? What you know? Not be 480. Not be 480,000. Not take buy the week. How many times you don't wear this week? Follow me. Say we don't come out.
Hey, but you know they come out now.
I'm not a come out.
You know they come.
I'm not a come out. You tell me. You dey disrespect me for my face.
This girl's not gentle.
You dey disrespect me for my face. Do you know what it takes me to buy this thing? But now you know what it happen for yes. Now me buy the wig. Okay, you say if
Like,
you want to go.
I don't know how to laugh.
So that mean they not see me.
You know they come out. You know they come out. You know they come out.
I don't get occasion. I never get occasion. I'm not like I go places.
Like,
You get
wow.
disrespect me. You dey disrespect me.
I know they disrespect you.
You know they come
You know
house
they
now.
come out.
You know they come house now. You don't put the wig.
I don't feel wear wig for
I
house
go buy a wig
now.
of 450,000 for you. You know they take the wig till they sleep. You know they take the wig till they sleep. You know they take the wig till they waka for the house.
No,
Now you don't go.
Yes.
Oh, well, more riches now. Not the come at you.
Just say make I wear wig sleep.
Chocolate and caramel.
Oh baby.
Baby, guess what?
What again now?
Take it easy, baby.
Pick my ATM. My PIN now 4191.
You are that guy.
I did not say I'm hungry.
What did you say?
I said I'm horny.
So honey, you are honey.
Funny me.
Let's go inside.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Baby,
What's happen now?
I need IG account for my business.
See, Shalu, no disturb me. Go number one logmarketplace.com if you want to buy IG account or any social media account. No disturb me since I dey work.
Okay, baby, but I'm hungry.
Shalu, what's happen now? Now every time you dey hungry. I don't get money. I beg.
I did not say I'm hungry. I said I'm horny.
No, Shalewa, no, I don't do. We go not finish. I don't do.
I think you don't
Please,
do.
no.
Oh yeah, take. Jesus! Try not break my prick. Oh, Shalewa, wait. You can wear condom for my prick.
A very bad boy.
Is it that possible? Like, is it that possible? Whenever you are too busy to, you just give them to hand it and do whatever they want to do. If it happen that way, somebody will take your level and run one day.
I say my branch now, I say my grit now. I swear. Ojuku, I show you people say they open sock away. We cannot be stop that, Baba. If no mama come grit fast again, then I let me know now. Ojuku, you should the smell. The smell.
Oh yeah, smell am now.
Baba,
What
smell
to claim,
this
right?
shoe. Baba, I said this you know the smell. This you know the smell. Yeah. No.
It is finished.
That's why I die, you.
Yeah.
Wait, where the shoe? Take.
Hey!
Solo.
You fight and you are dying the second time. And you are just going out for this. Is it possible for a spirit to still die? Nothing will not see the ends of Ojuku like.
All right, share your testimony.
Let's see Matiba.
Thank you very much, Pastor. Pastor, please, I would like you to pray for me. I am an armed robber, a kidnapper, a cultist. I have done so many atrocities, and I would like you to lead me to Christ. Thank you.
Brother John, you no go verse. This church, not new church. We don't new starter. I know say I define members. But this your soul pass me. You go find another church, I beg. All those church we don't hold ground, I beg, find another church. I know they pursue you. I don't feel pursue I'm robber. No, I beg you. Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah.
On free time. Brother John, you never pay your offering.
Who are you?
Matiba, are you okay? I just want to say that you're on face.
You see this girl they observe you. Bro, this girl like you. Bro, I beg and they avoid women. They don't fit do me something. Alpha, bro, calm down. Once girl don't they observe you like this 100% the girl like you. This girl now.
You know say you be idiot.
Bro, wait till I come.
Devil now you panic devil now you
Alpha, bro. Now your matter this girl just detain me for this. Since this girl love you, die. Alpha, hey, you fuck up now.
You mean now? No one.
Now so girls call free.
What's going on here?
Babe,
Spit it out.
now Benz be the cab me want to carry you.
And the guy will book me for short time be this. My full time with you yesterday. Now 200k. Transfer fast.
I thought you like me.
Like you care. Okay, I do transfer. Don't make me vex.
That would like wow.
Now 200k the guy proper.
Sharp, narrow your percent man.
Alright, no problem. So who be our next target now?
Next target.
Free
You won't rest. Like, you don't enter you will find next target too. Oh,
Jesus. Babe, what are you doing here?
Guy, you sabi ya?
Now my baby this now. Now my baby this.
I lie.
So you come in to come help my own babe for here.
Now for social media we dey chat.
Oh, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Collabo.
So you from Lagos come Port Harcourt to see my fellow
Atma
man.
went to ask
I'm sorry, I don't know what
someone discovered that.
You don't know what came over you. You pack your bag, go back, buy tickets, enter motor, they come Port Harcourt. You don't know what came over you. And I'm not saying I go stop Ugelu. You come down with your 2 legs, buy coke. What came over you, no leave you. You still get straight to reach Port Harcourt to see my fellow man. Oh, God of Jesus, I mean, they tell my heart, though. Don't fall in love. They will break your heart. I tell my heart, say they will break your heart. You know, here now they have shattered it.
Oh my good guy, what can 300k do for you? Sir, what can 300k do for you?
To make me forget about this girl.
Call your account number.
Hell, love. 00.
You go.
78.
He's actually calling me.
Oh, love has dealt with me. Oh, I will never love again. 39. 25.
Oh, see the
Oh,
way he's
give my love.
talking.
Give my heart. Give my heart.
Now look at the way he's calling me.
78. See all about access.
If your girlfriend know they cheat, make I die.
If I ever love again.
Sense.
Hey!
Very wicked man. I see black.
I don't see him.
Wicked. Belle black.
I don't cash out.
Yeah, man. There's no way he loved that girl at all. He's just using the girl to while away time. It's obvious now. You can see. Just made face by Bata.
I don't know strong now. The tear.
Sorry, sir. I dey come and give you another one.
Yeah, now.
Wait till they happen.
No, the water tear.
Give another one now.
The nylon tear. Yeah, you got the run, they go.
No, but if I give him another one.
You won't give another one. Now your papa will put the company now. Back or give him. Good afternoon, big man.
Good afternoon, girl.
Yeah. So what did they happen now?
Now, not too strong.
Our nylon no strong. Okay, our nylon strong. Now your hand too strong.
Does he realize he's talking to
I go look for small
man?
picking, make help you use bucket pack and we no get another nylon to give you.
Okay, so that they do for a couple.
I beg, I use God beg you. I don't want while I just come outside for work. I beg. Do for bucket, maybe back or time they go. After blood, more come up for you.
Hey! Fine one day. Is there any?
So because me and you they talk normal guy man talk, you give me slap.
Jesus.
After blood, more come up for you. Now me oh. Person when pass go do you back.
Ah! Can I be your guy?
You sit down for there. How many man slap me? You know don't fit do anything. Now wait till they follow me. Now wait till they follow me for that. Everywhere.
Like that slap.
No be the judge, you know. Now this guy to be follow me this morning.
Mr. Man, go front. You don't need balance.
Blaq. Jesus! Chama, Ben no verse. I don't know say now you are carrying.
Where you go to? Mr. Man, go front.
Okay. Everybody start the khaki.
I stupid.
Yes.
I foolish.
Yes.
The kind of problem Moscow ever this time is not going to be easy. Nobody will save him, only God, and that's what will deal with him when he gets to the barrack.
Wait a minute.
How can you slap me to misunderstand yourself? Future Gen Z parents.
Yeah, what's up, bro? What's up, Pops? Here to see Lizzy. Your daughter.
You are
Afias.
type sheet.
Yeah,
Have your seat, man. Have your seat.
Wow, this cash late.
You care for anything?
Never mind, son.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright, that's good. Lizzy will join you in a bit, huh?
I'm not in a mood, come on.
Type sheet, bro. Yeah, bro, meet my wife, huh?
Hey, mama! Yeah. I'll be with you shortly.
This is really Gen Z's parents. Look at them.
Dad! Teddy!
I just saw this kind of generation will occur in 2020, in the future 2025. Like in the future time. I pray we don't have this kind of parents and lifestyle because it will cost more out to our generation. What am I? Look at what is that cup top all about? Is it like the cup top for me? Now wow.
Don't go your wedding now. Your kind of wedding is the kind of wedding I like.
Judy, sure you know say I do wedding, you no gree buy my ashwebi. But these people wey you never even know for like 2 months, you don't buy the ashwebi.
Not be your kind of wedding why they attend. I know say your marriage no go last, but why not waste time buy ashwebi? I mean I not waste ashwebi money. You understand me?
Come see, now see finish be this one. Which guy swear be this one? Which one be say my marriage no go last now?
A wedding cannot last. If I buy ashwebi, my money go waste. I don't waste my money for your ashwebi. I know what they talk. I know the kind of wedding why they attend.
See this wedding, I go follow you.
Follow me go the wedding on Saturday. You go follow me go the wedding. I know the kind of wedding why they attend. It's not your kind of wedding.
Kumba, do you take Miss Norma as your lovely wedded?
I do. If I ever leave you, may you go buy me. If I ever leave you, may you go scatter me. If I ever leave you, may you go kill me.
I love that.
Miss Norma, do you take Kumba as your lovely wedded husband?
Yes, I do. If I ever leave you, make Oku kill me. If I ever leave you, make Oku scatter my home. If I ever leave you, make Oku scatter me.
I don't understand. Which kind of wedding be this one now?
Listen to the wedding. Now the kind of wedding I attend be this now. This is the kind of wedding I attend. You see the way then they swear and then they take their oath. Ogu is present.
Jesus.
This kind of wedding now you gonna say my ashwebi money is secured. I don't feel regret my ashwebi money. This is for better for worse wedding. Very good. This is the reason why I did not go to Yomoli and Davido. I did not go their wedding because Ogun was not present.
Is it true or what? Like, what are they acting? Don't be like nowadays, you just go and pray for them. At the end of the day, they break up, they scatter everything. It's ibaje.
Now me that woman they call you. But now me she they call. Now me she they call now. Why you do? Come back, Jesus. She call. Hello.
Sorry, not you. Your friend.
You mean my friend?
Yeah.
I thought I said now me she they call. Come up for you. You don't get glory. You don't get glory. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
You have a lovely smile.
Thank you.
So cute.
Thank you.
You know what? I'll spoil you.
Spoil me. I'm your machine.
I like that. Get into the car. Are you in any relationship? Because I don't like to share.
Relationship? No, now go on punish relationship.
No woman in your life.
Go on punish woman.
That one ain't go punish you. This is how you go about denying me, Abby. No, small things what I think I test you. You don't even misbehave. You don't even fail out.
Babe, what you did inside you?
Evidence there, yeah. You choke, yeah. Abby, babe. You choke, oh. Your mind like to say you don't harm, Abby. See me, You see this lady where your eye they enter so, my friend. Yeah? This car where you want see, where you want drop, enter inside. We rent them. Hey! And this way, Kamakape's luxury car renters. They rent all kind of luxury cars. Is it corporate event, interstate, security service, so many things. You see sugar mommy, you won't fly enter inside. See, we die here. Remember they go out.
Babe, I don't want grief for her. I just play. I love
her. Where they go out?
You don't catch.
Where they go? Where they go out?
Goat. That goat is not the kind of goat it used to be. Oh. This one is ewu meh. Meh. Oh my god. Oh, I'm having a good time here. Having a very good time, This one's from KZ Nation, and KZ Nation is going to give us a wonderful laughter. It's going to make us have a wonderful laughter here. This one we get the pay. Hope we are safe here. I've never seen a girl pay for a guy when they go out for shopping.
Baby! Can your babe ever?
Okay, alright.
Not dream self.
Babe, please can you give me your card? I want to get paid.
Oh my god!
Because of part, you're asking.
God damn it.
That means if you go out for shopping, I will just buy. I'll get like that. They cannot even afford.
If you touch me,
You just walk away like that 4 years.
Babe.
But I love you.
Love yourself, please.
I don't want to have anything to do with you, this filthy person.
Babe.
What if you were done?
It feels good
4 years.
to love somebody and somebody loves you back.
When girl do you, girl no they look back. They will just leave you. Guys will consider you, consider your feelings. Some guys, so not all guys, but girls are very worst in this kind of situation. They will leave you without even all the guys that they have left.
Yes. My girl left me.
They never leave you. They have left you.
It's not just me and you.
You are crazy. You are mad. 2, 3, 4. Oh, there are many. Why the laughter? Like, are they happy?
4 years.
Get a free bet on 1xBet every week. Use my promo code at Mario's all in caps and get 300% bonus on your first deposit.
Press the take my button on the offer page.
You guys are wicked.
Let's go again.
Go where? Why you go calm down? We don't do one make a rest.
You know I've not paid you. Oh, don't worry, I'll do you with this time, okay?
Madam, calm down. Calm down. Now blood dey run from my body, not be water. I bet me arrest, we will do again later.
Like seriously?
Now wow.
Cool.
Customer not leave me. If I start now, I will say I shall to get my body. Honey?
My husband.
Honey, I'm home.
Stop
Don't boast. What are you going to do right now? Huh?
Come on, go from that place.
Are you doing all this because you are confused or what? Like, you're in
Come on from there with that place, size. You move that place. Oh, baby. Honey, you came so quick. What happened?
We had rescheduled our meeting to next month.
Oh, okay. You're welcome. Meet our new ourselves. I just employed him.
Welcome, sir. Move that boy. Honey, but we didn't plan taking any hassle.
You know, we agreed that you'll be staying for long, so I needed someone to assist me in the house. You get that money. Go and get me something. Tomatoes, pepper, and onions. Immediately, start going now.
What do you mean by that?
Baby, you're welcome, okay? Let me help you with this. All right.
What are you going to do? You need money. But the woman's supposed to send him his money.
Hello?
Hello, customer.
You see that 2K windy with you? Just carry that and make you take loss. Not come back here again, oh.
Which kind talk with that one now? My money, nko?
You dey talk about money? If you don't like your life, come ask, come collect the money.
Hello? Hello? She don't cut call. Now why would the agree follow customer go ask be this one?
They send you, and this woman is wicked. After everything you have done with this guy, you use this guy and dump him.
Hello, excuse me. Is this your boyfriend? Yes. Do you mind if I borrow him for a day? What? Are you okay? Come on. It's just a day. How about I give you 2 million naira?
Babe, don't accept.
You can wish.
Man, no accept 2 million. What did they give me? They want. Please don't accept. You are enjoying it. You are telling your babe not to accept. It is bad, Basa.
What's going on here?
Oh, hi. Hi. Your 24 hours is up. I know. How about I give you another 1 million naira for 1 month? Come on now. 1 million is okay. I'm going to return him back to you. Please go inside and call my boyfriend for me. Okay. 10 million. You think it's a joke? It's not in business. Enjoy.
You need to be careful. Women are very desperate.
Carry on, 10 million. Carry
Hey
on.
guys, feel the video of African football with 1xBet. Bet on CAF Champions League finals and win super prize on 1xBet. Register when my promo code Iwundu and get 20% bonus on your first deposit. Take part in the Hot Strike promo and please bet on all CAF matches. Fire up a Hot Strike to earn more tickets and win prizes on 1xBet. Register when my promo code Iwundu. Just check the link on my highlight. Thank you, peace out.
iPhone 15 Pro. Look at the way they are trying to tell you that there's a little change that they added to this phone.
Hey, he died yesterday evening. But we are selling his property already. Instruction of his wife. Yes. Where am I? My dear, you won't believe it. I'm at Polanco Exotic Cars. Yeah, what's your favorite color?
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Polanco Exotic Cars.
Yes.
How may I help you?
Good afternoon. Please get me water first, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, my dear. Most of all this thing I'm doing for you.
Have you made a choice now, sir?
Yes, I like this one that I'm looking at.
Good choice.
Yes. How much are we looking at for this vehicle?
That's around 900 million.
900 million for this one?
Yes, sir.
1 billion.
All right, that's okay. I prefer this one. It's smart. It fits my aesthetic. How much are we looking at for this one?
690 million, sir.
Okay, I'm not even a big fan of green. What about this white one? Perhaps
very nice choice, sir.
Oh, yes?
You can have a seat inside.
Okay. It's orange interior. How much are we looking at for this?
1.6 billion, sir.
Huh?
It's brand new.
Modano, don't let me say it. Do you have a car that can fit within my budget, please?
Yes, sir. Let's step outside, sir.
Okay, you have access. All right. Oh! What car is this?
Range.
Oh, it's a range. You should do my price range. I will take it. I'll take it. My wife loves it.
Congratulations, sir.
All right.
Yeah, let's go in and sign the document, sir.
Okay, that's fantastic. I will thank God that despite economic toughness, we're able to push through.
Congratulations, sir.
Let's go, my brother.
Yes, sir.
So I'm to sign here, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Check.
Are you not going to?
Hello, ma.
Finally.
Yes, ma.
Finally.
That's true, right. So we've started selling properties. I've sold properties worth 1 billion already, and we're looking to
selling property. I
told you my husband fainted. He's awake now. Oh.
Sorry, ma. What do you mean, Chief is awake?
The doctor called me that he's awake. Even went out to play.
Hold on, ma. Hold on. Hello, ma. I don't understand.
What do you not understand? They're selling property of somebody that is not dead.
Ma, it's not possible. How will somebody wake up from the dead?
Yeah, I don't understand you. Are you not happy that Chief is alive?
Which way is that? I'm not happy for Chief.
Somebody that doctor said he went to play golf.
Is that golf that will kill him? Kill him. Do you know all the your emergency, ma? That man refused to go. I will send him away. Documents. Sorry, sir. Just give me a minute. I have unfinished business. I will come back from my range.
Madam, what do you mean that at 86 your husband is fainting? Is it not his mate that are dead?
Hey, and you can't die, you can't die, can't wait now. Why are you putting me in pressure?
Hi, good evening.
Excuse you? Don't you talk to every lady you see? Guy, sleepers get size. You smell of poverty. I don't talk to broke guys. Now show.
Some girls, because they just have change. 5-5. Something of 5-5. You're buying.
I had money in my pocket. I can swear I had 50,000 naira in my pocket.
Sorry, what's going on here, please?
She got food and she don't seem to pay for it.
Okay, how much is it?
5-5, sir.
5-5.
If I drink silly cup, find madam coffee.
Yeah, very thoughtful man.
Excuse me. Sorry for the way I talk to you.
That's why it's bad.
Thank you for paying my bills.
That's not a problem. I'm a very good person. I know we rise by lifting others. Alright, so I'll see you some other time.
No. Let me give you my number.
Don't worry, I don't need it anymore. It's fine.
Please, I insist.
Well, if you insist.
I will still wipe you on top aggressively.
You're a lifesaver.
And he's paying with his money. Yes, he would have called you and given you back your money. That's why it's good to be good. It's good to approach people.
What's your problem now? What are you doing here?
Down anybody.
I told you I have a girlfriend. What is your problem now?
I brought 50 liters of fuel for you.
It's economy.
Now fuel this thing.
I love you.
Fuel. There's this tanker driver that is crushing on me. Yesterday he brought me 100 liters of fuel, so I decided to bring 50 for you.
Go inside.
Hey! Baby, where is she?
Come outside.
Jesus!
What?
Jesus!
Hey!
Jesus! Wetin be this?
They go now. Best way carry fuel come one chill.
Maybe you're asking me to leave because of fuel.
I don't understand. Make I keep liability to the way assets. Wetin I come tell Brotherhood Association of Nigeria say me wey be their publicity manager I throw away treasure keep pressure.
Jesus.
See ma tell you it is written in that very book of Brotherhood chapter 24 section 2 when you see what you want you leave what you have.
We got to the point now.
Hey!
I say come on,
I love the way he smiles after crushing his Igbo, you know, Igbo.
Go and bring fuel.
Is that why you're pushing me?
If we finish your motor, not be to push motor.
Please just forgive me now, I've been calling the tanker driver. He's not picking my call. I don't know what is happening.
So without my fellow man, you have nothing to offer. Listen, let me tell you. For the fact you can no longer fuel this relationship, I have gotten someone else that will lighten up my stomach.
Now lie. And who is she?
I present to you my apple now.
Apple now. There is
hey! Look at the boy, see me here now.
What am I going to do?
Me and you. What go take that?
Baby girl, go inside. Boil 2 hungry man sides for me. Now cannot take my hand. A hungry man is an angry man.
Jesus! Jesus!
Hey!
Jesus!
Is she the reason you're asking me to leave?
No, go. That can get provision shop.
Jesus!
I don't to tolerate your anger. She go sustain my hunger.
We got to the point now.
I will lie for you.
I say come on,
I go lie for you. I will never lie to you. Never to a brother. I love the way he do his crunching. Wah, 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 wah.
Hello, there's no food on this table. You serve everybody. You didn't serve me now.
Madam, calm down.
Calm down.
This is my gift. You didn't buy
Phoebe says that he never buys baby.
Oh, okay.
Agamisa. Like, we have this kind of people in the party. And you see them, you know them, the way they live and live. They are teaching inside. They will do anything to bring everything, to test everything that they offer them in the party. There is nothing you can do to get them not to take. I think that rather bite you. And it's all small stuff right now. Voila. Mrs. Mommy of Lagos. All this one are them choke for party. I like this room, care. He's having a lot, in fact, a lot of views on her IG page. So it's something that there are a lot of people who love.
Sir, I'm not a thief. I didn't steal the charger. I only stole the cord. Come on, sit down there. Hey.
What did you do?
Okay, it's thief charger. Sir, I didn't steal the charger. I only stole the cord. I'm going to stop now. Why the match man know you?
Jesus.
Are you mad? Why would you push me like that? Are you mad? Do I know you? Hey, come on, sit down. Sit down there.
If I hold it in my hand.
I'm sorry for all of you.
What did this one do? Our guy say be number one, no. Yeah! Now that crew kill our officers yesterday night.
Yeah. How all of them go to go for say one?
Oh, you borrow one.
Number one. Boss.
God help me. Now that I did.
What's up, collabo? You play. He will actually. Who is this now? Number one, I just laugh. Very bad.
Nice one. Let's go again.
Not all these guys.
Mama sent the photo. Mama sent the photo.
More of that. Let's go. Energy. Let's go. Good one.
She daddy.
Abella, this your love now when I am born. Now only you they fit me.
I want to tell your story about Abella, oh. Abella no gree because I no get ba, oh. Abella.
Hey, 70 years old man.
How come this?
This man.
I thought he was coming from the sea.
Hey!
From the
You see the follow Gambani for
the television.
Wait, this man don't pass bullet.
Are you playing?
Okay. This man was Semboto.
They play.
Where they go? This man was really trained for this job. Not be small.
Calm down. They are gone. You have escaped. Calm down.
I am not a thief.
You are.
I am not a thief. Now condition make crayfish company.
Wait, you went.
Okay, see me leave this girl for me. You know if you take care of her. Now, what are you saying? Can me go take care of this girl fast? I'm up to the task. Okay, you're not up to the task. I'm up to the task. You are not. If you know you're up to the task and you can take care of this girl, transfer this girl 50,000. I go double up. No, you do am like this. Send the 50k to me. I will transfer 150 to her straight. Man, send that to you. Yes. Put your account here.
Are you sure this is not? Okay, let me see how it's going to end, Sha, because the way all these people.
50k done. Double am.
You don't enter. My brother carry and go. Jesus, I don't know, sir. I go chop today. I go that junction, find another guy.
Simple. Life is simple. In this hard economy, we'll be dragging for a girl. With my hard money. Just transfer the money and carry the girl. When they come to call you.
Seriously. Ṣé kò yẹ kó wá lé kí o àbó òru wa go ọwọ́ ẹ̀ ni?
fóònù sọ́dún wọ́n ń ṣeré kó mo ní ìwà lè kó mo ti wú fáwọn aláàánú pé ìwà lè kó mo kọ́ káǹtì mi out.
Kọ́ káǹtì ìyá ọ̀sùn wò wà lè ké mọ́.
Wọ́n pé mi ò wà lè kó mo mi ò ṣe kí mi fẹ́ lọ pawó nípa.
Iṣẹ́ kí ló ń ṣe tó wò wà lè ké mọ́?
Iṣẹ́ POS ni ṣé mo ní ọmọ gbó lọ́wọ́ mi ẹ̀ dáhùn ẹ lè gbó lọ́wọ́ àǹtí tó wà mẹ́wọ̀n nísìnyí ọ̀nà ní ṣáàjì hàn mo sọ wípé pé ká gbó lọ́wọ́ mi èmi lè wá kọ́sítọ́mà lọ nípa.
Òun wá kọ́sọ́mà ó tiẹ̀ ní ṣọ́ọ̀bù kan sef.
Ní ṣọ́ọ̀bù home service lọ́wọ́ káàntì balẹ̀ mọ̀ pé èmi mí ní bísínẹ́sì ni. Ẹ bá mi kọ́ gbọ́ ẹ wá ní ìwálé kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́dúró àṣì mi question. Ṣé wọ́n dọ̀ ọmọ jọmọ kékeré lójú mo ní ìwálé kọ́ mọ́?
Ọjì.
Kíni ẹsẹ̀ kọ́ fẹ́ dá fún yín. Kíni. Kọ́lá fojú yín hàn mọ́. Kíni mo ní ìwálé kọ́ mọ́? Èyí ń dàrú.
This particular character has
Ọjì. Èmi mà ló ń bá sọ̀rọ̀.
This particular character is very stubborn.
Ọjọ́ pé wájú mi máa gbá PS mọ́ lórí ọmọ pọ́dọ́ láti.
Àfáà Yusuf.
Àfáà Yusuf o. Ìwúwo gidi. Lẹ́yìn pé wájú mi ìwúwo sọ̀mọ̀ kò sí wàhálà. Ìwà tábàgọ̀ dàrú. Kí táyà ni kíni?
Kọ́dírì.
Kíni?
Lẹ́nu ẹ.
Sọ́fẹ́ nà mí.
Abdul Qadir bọ́ọ̀ni.
Sáwọn kọ́ bá.
Waalaikum salam.
Ẹni pẹ́ lọ́wọ́ kọ́lá fún ilé mi gígùn náà mo ń fún àbá Yusuf ní.
Mo lọ wálé kéwú ni. Àárí ó lè kéwú. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Ilé kéwú. Náà mo bẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ àbá Yusuf ní sí pé ṣé ẹ ti close ni àbí kíni tẹ́lẹ̀ mo débẹ̀ yìí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kankan.
Ó yá mọ̀ bọ̀ báwo ìtì ẹ̀fẹ́ gbọ́ kankan mọ̀ bọ̀. Já lọ.
Àbá Yusuf fẹ́ já lọ.
Philo. I don't make up my mind. As you see me, so I don't make up my mind. What kind of stuff be this now? For the past 9 years that I apply for work for different company, nobody they agree take me. I don't make up my mind though. You sabi that my friend Chukudi.
The one with the thief?
Yes. Chukudi come and say, get back, they won't go rob this afternoon. Say space, they might control. I bet he better say John Chukudi than to the languish in poverty.
Ndoka, patience is a virtue.
But I'm also for difference, and can't you see it?
What if they catch you? You never think like that. Say you work for another person, no mean say you go work for you. Ndoka.
See, I get luck. You go work for me. Calm down.
You for just follow me go this interview. I follow my friend talk with another space there. You join this work.
You know how many times I don't go? Chukudi they call me. Might go join Chukudi. I don't. As they see me so I don't make. Don't want a quick money. Quick money.
Okay. Voila. Ndoka. Okay. Ndoka, what happened?
You see that robbery when Chukudi go? The thing cast. Yay. Before we enter the bank, she police. Police they fire. Us and Chukudi they fire. Now we shoot 4 police. Hey. Police shoot 4 of us. Hey. We run out of bullets. Now me around.
Ndoka, your first robbery you don't shoot 4 police.
Now 2 police I shoot. 1 for ear, 1 for head.
Hi! We here for station.
How?
If you are going, I don't know say na police recruit. You're under arrest.
Oh,
are you kill our colleague?
You know, this is my first day at work.
Now my first day at work too. First successful robbery, first successful arrest. No move.
You'll be your blood though.
Now what make me no one rush you? So I don't go come out blood for your body. Just they go.
Fela, if you do me one favor.
If you to call your mama, I no go try am. I no even get time. Just move.
Fela, come my mama.
She go here. She go come bring food for you for station. Just they go. If they rush, just they go small.
Come on, mama.
If they rush, they go small.
Mama.
You say now you kill our colleague. You know what about shoot on them? Because I don't want to remove the blood. Unduka, you are a great comedian. Like,
brother, will be your weight. Brother, will be your weight. Never tell me bye bye. No wait now. Now, oh, you know, see, well done, sir. You see, bro, this red don't even show. Now 900 he give me. It talks say remain 100 naira. Now when me I call you, I don't feel like give you now.
Then one opportunity where you get to talk to Obi. Now 1,000. So then you swear for you and be a
oh, I call number.
Okay, give me my phone before you go back to begin to glory.
You and 1,000 Motell. When will you change? Golden opportunity that you have me.
I don't suffer no be small.
Bros, see, you get wetin I want tell you. I beg, I would like me you come service me.
I'm not interested.
I go give you 1 million, no.
Asabu. 1 million. It's okay. One more. I
go there. 1 million.
Poverty no good at all. No.
Now he make I join this business. Hey, it's just a game. Everybody they play. If you fall Mugu, I go whack you. Hey, where Bele 10 is going to? I don't know. Let's see how it's going to end because all this one maybe say that they do. So I don't know.
Bros, say hi to the camera. Na prank.
Bala.
I serious. I feel call the boy come.
Prank.
Come.
Prank me with that.
It's okay. One more. Jesus.
Like, I can't love it. Why pushing the guy?
Hi.
Oh, you look so amazing.
Thank you very much. I love your tattoos and I love the way you dress. Very classy.
Okay.
You're just my taste. The type of guys I want. You know what?
What's that?
Put your account details and let me appreciate you for being so handsome like this. I just sent you 5 million naira now.
5 million.
Use it to go for shopping.
Wow.
Shopping.
Oh, I just confirmed it. Thank you so much.
No,
No,
you follow? No.
Are you mom?
No, I don't know him.
You sure? Are you me?
What is going on? Oh my god. What kind of thing is this? My money is gone.
If I were you,
What's it happen now? No, you get with you.
Bad guy.
No bad guy. How much you drop? I go reason you now. How much you drop?
She got 5M now.
5M. Well, I might give my account. Sharp. You come collect a fast.
just like that. Well, there are guys.
I'm seeing you in billions. You're about to become a billionaire. I saw you enter the realm of...
Stop. You can't see me this one now. I said, take care of my papa saying go become billionaire. My papa don't die, yo. Would they find money we go use to burial now? My papa, would they find money, small money we go use to burial? They come here, one come to feed me.
That is your father. Your father grace is not your grace. I'm seeing you in billions.
Use that small grace, give me money, I go bury my papa. Wait like that for there. Which kind of that one?
And you for say you won't beg now.
What do they do you?
No wonder you dey smell poverty. You for just say you won't beg.
Your papa.
Small prophecy work just say make I can't give on another. You dey turn her to beg.
As soon as I go carry fake crop.
Now beg give your papa. You don't continue that same leg. You will beg and perish in air. I'm telling you. Thank you for watching. Comment and share.
They actually top it with laughter. You end up perishing here, laughter.
Sit here. See, come on, mama. Oh boy, laugh and I smile. I don't play with person. My man, Havana.
You play, you soon.
Shake me now, Havana. Okay. Nanki na mele me lu I come. Me pana all town. Who's boy? See this girl. Na that girl. Why don't they say the girl don't stress me since so to that one.
You know, say this place now one room. Waiting there. Our guy no go come out, yo.
Then I say na me get they say you na my friend. So just come out. I finish.
Okay, I know they do anything.
No problem. No, now just small business. Then my guy. My guy.
I know they go anywhere, guy. No,
they don't even have brother code. No proko.
What's it?
No green.
You want to go?
What is this kind of this? They may be cool. Using every opportunity, slight opportunity to hammer.
Babe. Yeah. Now, one may have when buy drink for us.
Okay.
What's this? I better give me better money. Why you give me 1,000? What's I going to use 1,000? What's I going to use 1,000? Okay, you know they're serious.
Babe, there's no time. I want to start going very soon.
Okay, I'm coming. I want to send them something. You see, I'm now small like this game.
Which one is this?
You collect
3,000 are they correct?
3,000 are they correct. Did I do anything wrong? You.
Some friends do like
thank you.
Sorry, come on for you.
At 3 minutes, I give you.
I'm 3 minutes.
They deserve this kind of thing before they can leave.
I baby no mind, and my boy. I send the man go buy a drink for me. He come here. They tell me say 200,000. Why I give am no complete?
100,000.
Alpha, I beg, I define my children on this. Now, you want to define your child? Don't remember, yo.
No, sorry, yo.
Okay, now here they keep child guy. Now you keep child. Now here keep child.
No, sorry.
They keep child for pillow.
My charger, baby. Where the charger?
Babe, I need to start going now. There's no time. Later, I'll talk.
Babe, wait.
There's no time.
Babe, wait now.
This girl want to wait now.
Okay, let's go. I can come back here. I can come back here. You don't spoil one for me. Remember my hand. I come collect now. Okay, give me my money. Okay, 3,000. Go my 3,000. Which kind of 3,000? I don't use my 3,000. This year, not the stress me. Today, I get a magnet. I come now. Now, give me my 3,000. I beg, make I
You're not going anywhere. You must pay me back my money. Where are you going? You know where? You know where? Let's see Mr. Anointing on this one or Anointed. This is Mr. Anointing.
About waiting the sup now. And your shrine are able to come safe. Waiting the sup. What do you do for me no work? Make it not be like saying I'm waiting at the think.
What's gonna be waiting the sub? I don't understand.
What show me say you don't understand? You tell me say 3 days. 3 days pass and don't see results. Okay, I can't wait 5 days. 5 days pass and don't see results. Okay, I can't patiently wait 7 days. 7 days pass one I don't see results.
What shall be waiting I do for you no work? Now today I started to do share for people. Any share I do for anybody, not the fee. Maybe not the person I did prayerful. You're going to be the person make una settle. As you see me, so I not get time.
Come, Baba, make you respect yourself. See, make I just tell you, I get anger issues, and I never get money to take go for anger management class. So as you see me for here now, so I try to just cool myself down, make yourself respect yourself. You dey hear me so? As you be say waiting, I pay you money for no workout. Now for you to do refund. Don't allow other person see our voice. Just do the refund quietly. Make I dey go my way. You self go your way one.
You see, say I leave a complot because I get clients where they wait on me for my shrine where I won't do touch and follow for. So just let me make how they go.
Baba, I be like say you forget the partner.
I don't met him, Babalawo. This guy
Baba,
get
don't
mine.
provoke me. If not, waiting I go do it for you, you no go like am. Refund me my money, make I come out for you. Waiting they sup now. Waiting they sup.
Wait, now me you push just now. You don't know say as how you don't push me, you don't push the God. And as it be like this, so I can tell you to touch this here now. Stop me if you know so you get mine.
Look at someone that wants to touch someone to touch. He's fighting with his feet.
Waiting be this. Jesus.
They actually landed themselves into this custody.
I already have stressful case that I'm handling back there. So I don't want the two of you to come and add to my stress. So the two of you are going to write down your statement. Exactly what happened, starting from you. What exactly happened?
Officer, I meet this Baba making do jazz for me. Okay. The jazz where you do for me no work. This Baba na fake Baba.
But if you call me fake again, I go tell you to go for here.
You be fake Baba.
Don't call me fake again.
You be fake Baba.
Hey! What's the problem? I will not condone such rubbish. I told you I have case that I'm handling back there and you're here disturbing me. You said you went to do jazz from this Baba and it did not work.
It did not work.
Write it down.
I meet this Baba making him do jazz for me. Okay. The jazz no work. This Baba na fake Baba.
What jazz exactly did you meet this Baba to do for you?
Officer, somebody been tell me say my uncle use my destiny take make money. Now I can go meet that my uncle. Now say uncle, me I no come here for long talk. Wetin go there be say that's my destiny wey you use to make money so I no come for much. Just give me 20% of the money wey you use my destiny make I go. My uncle look me, tell me say make I come out from his house. I say no problem. Since my uncle won't show me wickedness, I go let her know say na me be the real wicked person. Now I can go meet this Baba. Now tell Baba say that my uncle I want buy him. Now Baba say make I bring him picture. Now I carry picture now I give Baba. Okay. Now Baba tell me say in 3 days time that my uncle go die. Make I go bring 75,000 naira. Now say Baba, if I get 75,000 naira, you think say the idea of to kill my uncle go enter my head? I wonder. To cut the long story short, now we can negotiate the thing go 25,000 naira. Now also the money give Baba. 3 days reach, my uncle no die. Instead, he buy new motor. I can't wait again. 5 days after, my uncle no still die. Instead, he buy another motor. I say waiting they sup. Now I patiently wait. On the 7th day, my uncle no still die. Instead, he buy G-Wagon. I can't come meet Baba. I say waiting they sup. What do you do for me no work? Now Baba open his smelly mouth. They tell me say my uncle they prayerful.
You went to meet this Baba so that he can kill your uncle, Abi? Offense number 1.
Officer, which one be offense number 1 now? How this one take be offense? If now you there in my shoes, say your uncle carry your destiny to make money, how you go feel?
If you touch me like that again, I will make sure I cut off those hands. When you get to the court, you will explain to the judge how he will feel when they use his own destiny to do money.
How can you use your mouth
Write
to
it down.
pick
Officer, no be to write statement be the thing.
to expose yourself?
When did Baba refund me my 25,000 naira?
I don't refund any money.
Which one be you know they do refund?
I don't refund anything.
I don't pay money.
What did I give them? I swear.
God have mercy. You didn't turn into anything now. For what you reckon? Should have turned into that tortoise you said you turn into. For that reason, you are fake. Thank you guys for watching this hilarious comedy compilation video, and I really appreciate every one of you, for supporting this channel and for making sure you watch my content. I really want to say big thank you, because without you guys, I think I am nobody here on YouTube. So if you're still here to subscribe, do subscribe. If you're still here to like this video, like it, and if you've not shared it, share it to your social media fans. Share it to every social media platform of yours, and also don't forget to turn on that bell. Turn on the bell so that you get alert once we upload a new video. All right, guys. So, what is your favorite moment in this comedy compilation? There are so many favorite moments, you already know. You cannot watch a comedy compilation like this and not having any favorite moment. Like, there's so much favorite moment. Shopofo really did something shocking in his comedy. He actually brought out something shocking. Like, how can you lend your manpower to somebody, to a girl, to go and use, and you expect that lady to bring that thing back to you? Okay, let's see. Let's say this. What if this lady that you gave, or the lady you gave your manpower, that thing, you know what I mean when I say manpower. So what if the lady you give that thing, get home and used it and enjoyed it, like that thing is the sweetest thing she has ever tasted in her whole life, and she don't want to return it back to you, like she don't want to return it to you? What would you feel like? What if she take that thing and travel to abroad? Or what if she take your manpower to another country, like, or another state? What if she relocate to another state? How are you going to feel? Meaning you will be a man without the power. It's going to be a tough thing. Oh. And some people were saying that it is good. I wish God can allow us to be removing it and put it back. You can give it to somebody when you are not around. I will not even try it. I will not try it. What if the person never return it? You're going to be in a hot tub. What if the person lost it? You will now be hearing the news that please, loss. We need, if you see a missing bola on the street, like this will be coming up frequently. Like every time you just, all these news when would they do na missing bola for the talk about. And maybe we can remove it and lend it to somebody else. Hey, the world would have been a very, very corrupt one. Like you won't even understand the kind of world we are in. God never let us see bad. I like him as he just there with us like that. Like we are not going to. We don't have power of our own to remove it. If you remove it, you can't do it. I thank God for that, and I think I love that comedy. Like when I watch the comedy, so many things, just going through my mind. Like so many funny things. I was laughing. I was laughing uncontrollably. So I think Shopofo did wonderfully well in that comedy compilation. And the second one, yeah, is that Fue guy. I think that guy is a new guy. I newly discovered him. I newly discovered that guy. He's a new guy, and I think you love his comedy. If you love his comedy, like you love his comedy, don't hesitate. Do not hesitate to let me know in the comments so that I will be, uploading it anytime I want to add any comedy to my compilation video. Yes, I will be adding his own comedy. So let me know if you love this guy, this particular guy. Let me know if you love him. I think I love him, like the crusher guy. I love him, and that guy is good. Honestly, he's good. So let me know. Do not hesitate to comment about this guy. And to our giveaway, I'll be picking randomly. Like I said, I will not mention the winner. But I will personally reply you in the comment. Once you see my reply, I will tell you what to do to come and collect your Chikele prize. I won't say it, but when you see it, you just come in the comment and make sure you comment and say thank you, or you comment to say I've seen it, so that other will know that we are giving out away. What we say we will give away. Please, okay, guys, do not fail to do that. Please do not fail. It's very important. It's very important. Yes, it is very, very important. So another funny comedy in this compilation video is who should I call upon now? Madiba. Madiba. Madiba is a crazy guy. Madiba of comedy is a crazy guy. How can you chase someone away because he's an armed robber, or he's a kidnapper, he's a killer? He came to your church to like ask for forgiveness, that is now a changed man. Like everyone should pray for him. All you could do was to send him away. And at the end of the day, you called him back to come and pay offering. Who does that? Who does that? No one will ever pay such offering. Pay offering when you disdain me. They play. Madiba, take time. Madiba, take time. Take time, Madiba. Do not get us angry, because when we get angry, we don't even forgive. There are so many funny scenes in this comedy compilation. Is it SK? Look at SK. SK did so much crazy things. Like, how can you jump? See the way he jumped from in to outside. From inside to outside. I was shocked seeing him jump like that. More. It's not going to be easy for that girl. Now no SK, now they provoke him. Is it fair? Is it good like that? No, it is not good like that. It is not good like that. It is not good like that. And this guy, Sydney Iwundu. This is what every girl will do. You cannot tell me you will not do it. If you were in that girl's shoe, someone wanted to offer you, someone want to offer you 5 million. First of all, she offered you 1 million. She offered you 5 million to just leave your boyfriend. Man, every girl, I never see girl we no go do one. Every girl would like leave the boyfriend. Besides, how much they give me? Most of you guys will say it. In fact, girl we no go green at one. They're not there too. All right, guys, thanks for watching Crity React. To this extent, we're going to call it a day. We're going to see you guys on our next comedy compilation video. We're wrapping up, we're rounding up. Like, seriously. Have a wonderful time. I'll go live for you. Peace out.